Hey, what's up? I'm Hamang. It's almost summer, I got a haircut, and I'm still inspired by Come Around Again. What you hear now, we made in the last episode, and we're gonna take it from this to this. So, let's start with this chord impact sound. First, I'm wrapping out the chords until it feels right. Then we need a more snappy sound. Let's see, take out the reverb from Spire and add some Raum instead. Raum is a reverb from Native Instruments and one of my go-to plugins, and it's free. I'm trying to make the reverb last until the next chord, so the drop is always colored by it, and you don't lose that energy. Then I add another layer of sound to make it more solid. It's hi-hat time, and I'm not gonna use a loop. I never do that. Choose your snare wisely, or you might spend 100 hours to EQ it, only to find out that you chose the wrong sample. This one is nice, it just needs a little bit of tuning. Here we go. And I add 2 more snares in the very background to make it more solid. And a pre-shifted clap to give it some texture. Some extra percussions and a splash to emphasize the impact of the drop. I always add a 4th note delay on the splash. I just think that makes the crash cymbal fade out more naturally compared to using a reverb or nothing at all. Some of the hi-hats feels too much, so I'll take them out. Let's vocal chop. Ba 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 ba. Now this is gonna need some heavy editing. And tuning. Format change. Vocal synth effects. And a double pitched up octave. Then I pretty much mix it like a vocal. Let's hear how it sounds. Cool, I think I can make a song from this with the right vocalist, which is not me. If you missed the last episode where I made a kick and bass for this, you can find it in this playlist.